हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ। हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ। हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ। हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ।
Namaste, my name is Maneshwar Sharma and welcome to another episode of Prem Bhakti Ki Awaaz. Our goal is to develop and strengthen your knowledge of our rich Hindu culture while promoting the talents of the youths in the community. To begin our program, we will have an opening prayer.
या देवी सर्वभूतेषु ज्योतिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। ॐ सिद्धि बुद्धि प्रदे देवी भुक्ति मुक्ति प्रदायिनी मंत्रामूर्ति सदा देवी महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते। महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते। Om Sarva Mangala Mangali, everybody. Shive Sarvartha Sadhike, Sharane Trambike Gauri, Narayani Namostute.
Now we will have a devotional song.
Sitaram. Here at the Prem Bhakti Mandir, we have a lot to offer to you. Join us every Sunday morning for Sunday morning satsang from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Also, please feel free to join us every Tuesday for Hanumanji Puja and Hanuman Chalisa chanting from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. The classes that we have available are on Wednesday. We have harmonium class from 7 to 8 p.m. and tabla class from 7:30 to 8:30 p.m. On Thursday, we have dancing, Hindi class, and singing from 5:30 to about 8 p.m. And on Sundays, we have classes for the young kids, the bachos, from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. right after service. Thank you, Jai Sitaram.
Do you want to drive in style? Need a limo for a wedding, party, or any other occasion? Then Excalibur Transportation Inc. is the ride for you. Call Neil at 347-236-7819. Once again, that number is 347-236-7819. Looking forward to your call.
Planning that special getaway? Pan American Travel and Tours can surely help. Whether it's a flight to your favorite hotspots around the world or that dream cruise you've been thinking of, we have the lowest fares in town. Visit us at 12209 Liberty Avenue on the second floor, or you can call Ina Pasad at 718-848-0000. Tax time is here, and we're equipped with a competent staff to service all your tax and insurance needs. Again, visit us in the heart of Richmond Hill, 12209 Liberty Avenue, on the second floor, or call Ina Pasad at 718-848-0000. Looking for luxurious homes or apartments? Visit Zara with two convenient locations. 16607 Hillside Avenue, Jamaica, Queens, New York, 11432. Their telephone number is 718-415-8833. Second location is 451 Fulton Avenue, Hempstead, Long Island, New York, 11550. Their telephone number is 516-292-6071. They have studios, 1, 2, and 3 bedrooms, furnished or unfurnished, with short or long-term leases available. Call for an appointment today to see these luxurious apartments. Again, Zara Luxury Apartment and Homes, with 2 locations, servicing New York. 718-415-8833 or 516-292-6.
Sit back, relax, and enjoy this week's Pravachan.
Today, I will speak with you about Hanumanji, who he was, and the expectations that Bhagwan has for all of us. First, I will take you into Kishkinda Kand of the Ramayana, where Hanumanji has just met with Sri Ram, realizing that he's speaking with the Lord in this chaupai. Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama, Shri Ram Jai. Hanumanji is giving up all of his worldly belongings and begs Sri Ram to shower his grace. He begins to say, "Although my lord, I have many faults, let not the servant be cast into oblivion by his master." In this first line of realization, Hanumanji admits all of his downfalls, misconducts, and wrongdoings. He acts not to be hidden from the true form of Bhagwan because the ego of earthly beings are tricked by the Maya, the illusion. This deception is only removed with the grace of the Lord. He continues on to say, "I have no knowledge on how to please you, Sri Ram. I ask you to please guide me, as a servant depends on his master for instruction, and as a child depends on their parents and gurus for knowledge. I take you into another chaupai in the Ramayana. Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama. 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 Suno kapi diya manasi jani una. Te mama diya Lakshman Dembuna. Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama. Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama. Samadharasi Momika Sabko. Samadharasi Momika Sabko. Sevak Diyananya Gati Sodu. Sevak Diyananya Gati Sodu. Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama. 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 Shri Ram speaks to Hanumanji in this chaupai saying, "Do not be depressed at heart. You are as twice dear to me as Lakshman. Although I am like-minded towards all beings, a devotee is particularly dear to me because he looks to no other for salvation." The Lord tells us here that if we look to him for emancipation and pray to him, although he loves everyone, we will be dearer to him than the being who does not devote their life to him. But who is God? Where is he? I hand the mic over to Serenaji to continue the message.
Well, Veena-ji has spoken of Hanumanji, Bhagwan, God. But who is God? What is God? God, spelled out with 3 letters, G-O-D. G representing the generating force, referring to Lord Brahma. O, the operating energy, for Lord Vishnu. And D, to be the destroying force representing Lord Shiva. There are so many ways to call God. The Islamics refer to God as Allah. The Christians refer to God as Jesus. And us, as Hindus, we refer to God as Bhagwan. The word Bhagwan is composed of 5 syllables, syllables in which we represent as the elements of our world. Bha, Gha, Va, A, Na. Bha representing Bhumi, translating to earth. Gha meaning Gagan, sky. Va, Vayu, meaning air. A, Agni, which is fire. And Na, Nadi, which is water. I will continue to explain who is God and what is God in the following chaupai from the Kabir Das.
Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama. 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 Chale sune me tukara.
Mane Bhimukana, meaning he walks without feet and hears without ears. Kada Binu Kadam Kare Bhitinana, and performs his many actions even without hands. How powerful Bhagwan is to demonstrate such acts without utilizing his body parts. In the second verse it says, Ishvara Ansa Jiva Abhinasi, meaning the individual soul is a part of God. The soul we have in each and every one of us, representing the divinity in our bodies. Chaitana Amala Sahaja Sukharasi, immortal consciousness. We've heard of this consciousness before in previous messages where it refers to God. A line we sing when we say, Chidhananda Rupa Shivoham Shivoham Chidhananda Rupa Shivoham Shivoham. When we say this, we're saying we are consciousness. We've heard this before. Continuing the line, it also says that other than consciousness, untainted by illusion and by nature perfectly blissful, jubilant, joyful, happy. Bhagwan brings us joy, happiness. Bhagwan like Hanumanji.
Specializing in residential and commercial buildings, hydrojet cleaning service, video camera inspection, sewer and water main repairs. You can contact Mike at 718-657-7235 or 347-401-3831. Central Auto Repairs and Body Shop, Complete Car Care Center, New York State Inspection, mufflers, brakes, air conditioning, general repair, complete body and fender work, painting, insurance appraisals. Contact Dave at 718-738-2252 or 718-322-1400.
If you have been desirous of learning how to drive, look no further. Place your trust with the #1 choice in town, JK Driving School, 11817 Liberty Avenue. They have many packages you can choose from. They are licensed and certified by the state of New York. Their years of experience does make that difference. For those of you who are already enjoying the driving experience, save 10% on your car insurance by taking the defensive driving course. Call JK Driving School today, 718-659-9300.
Sitaram, as most of you know by now, our goal here at Prem Bhakti Kiyawaz is striving to develop your knowledge and understanding of Hindu Sanatan Dharma, while showcasing the wonderful gifts Ma Saraswati has blessed the youths of our community with. I would like to take this moment to extend a word of invitation to all manders, kirtan groups, dance groups, and any individual youth that would like to participate in our show. Please feel free to contact us at the numbers listed on screen or email address listed on the screen. Please be reminded that there is no fee or cost to be able to partake in this wonderful experience and opportunity. Jai Shri Krishna.
Don't let the heat get to you. Call Rams Bottled Water and Coolers Incorporated, a family-owned and operated business, your neighborhood supplier of bottled water and water coolers for over a decade. They deliver to businesses and private homes, or better yet, you can stop by and get your supply of bottled water any day of the week except Sunday at 111-16 101 Avenue, Richmond Hill, New York, and experience their courteous and friendly service. If you're having a wedding, party, or religious function, let Rams Bottled Water and Coolers provide your guests with their refreshing water, either by the gallon or individual bottles. Once more, the number to call is 718-441-2706.
Now we will have a beautiful dance.
तुम्ही जोरी मेरा मुर्शिद तेरे होरी मेरा मुर्शिद तेरे होरी प्यारा तेरे मुस्कान मेरा मुर्शिद तेरे होरी प्याला छिड़के अपने करम का प्याला छिड़के अपने करम का रंग दे सब संसार मेरा मुर्शिद तेरे होरी मेरा मुर्शिद तेरे होरी प्याला छिड़के अपने कर्म का प्याला छिड़के अपने कर्म का रंग दे सब संसार हो इश्क दा
Thank you for watching this week's episode of Praying Back to Kiowas. Stay tuned next week, same time, same channel, for another exciting episode. May Bhagwan continue to shower his richest blessings upon you throughout the years and ahead, and enjoy the rest of your week. Jai Sitaram.
हे शारदे माँ अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ हे शारदे माँ अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ हे शारदे माँ अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे